It gave us complete confidence during the sale transaction process, the deal timing, the decisions that needed to be made. As you know, as a cross-border transaction, your tax team went way beyond their remit in terms of giving us strategic advice. It was a brilliant relationship all the way through the journey. As you know, our relationship goes back over a decade and started with the very basic fundamentals, management accounting, business plans, some early tax advice, and has extended right through to estate planning and recently M&A advice. From the very start of the journey with Oldfield, we found you extremely helpful, accommodating, helping us to understand our own financials, giving us direction, helping us with different stages of growth and different issues in the business too. And all of that culminated in our business becoming sale ready, such that when potential investors were doing their due diligence, it simplified it, and indeed many of them commented on how clear things were. We've never really viewed you as compliance accountants. You've always been there to help us with some big decisions. You've been there to guide us strategically, particularly tax accounting. You've gone above and beyond, outside of your remit really, to give us advice that has helped us make some key decisions and prepared us for sale. A significant part of the business value is the EBITDA, and the focus on achieving growth in EBITDA was obviously extremely helpful. The structuring that you've done for us to make it tax efficient for the shareholders exiting has been very, very beneficial. But it's the clear management accounts and making sure that we're on track against budget that were kind of standout pieces for us over the years. The business has been structured in the right way, which has been particularly important in terms of the best outcome for the shareholders and for all stakeholders in the business. Getting the structure of the business, the structure of the financials, the structure of the holding company, the tax implications, getting that whole piece completely detailed and done was absolutely critical in a smooth due diligence process. As a business owner, there's so many different stakeholders you have to consider for in a business. Obviously, there's the shareholders, there's the staff, there's your customers, your suppliers. And I think working with Oldfield, the experience I've had is that yes, it's crucially important that the business is in good financial shape, but you're also considering for the individual outcomes of those different stakeholders. So you've helped us with schemes that the staff have benefited from hugely. You've helped the shareholders achieve their aspirations, and you've helped us get the business in a financial position such that it was sale ready, and that aided the process of sale considerably. Engage beyond just more than the financial aspect. I personally don't think that we'd get that much of a personal, detailed approach from one of the big four accounting firms. It's always given me peace of mind to know that I've got accountants that will give me straight feedback, will give me support in understanding difficult tax situations, will help structure the business in the best way, will help support all of the shareholders in the business and all the stakeholders in the business. It's given me, the confidence to get ahead in business. I'd say come and visit you, come and sit down with your team. You've got enormous experience here in all different sizes of businesses, which I think gives us confidence that you're not too big for a small business and you're not too small for a big business. And I'd say engage early, because the fact that we've had so much experience and worked together for such a long time has definitely been beneficial. And when it comes to a sale event, there's a huge amount of pressure, and due diligence is very intense, and to have accountants and advisors behind you that understand your business and can support you through all of that is just critically important. I just want to make a particular shout out for the Oldfield Advisory tax team. Their help was very significant in our sale transaction. We were selling out to a global company headquartered in America, which was not straightforward. They helped us to achieve this and guided us through the whole process, engaging too with corporate lawyers in the USA to help on the buy side. Very instrumental in ensuring that the deal didn't become a stumbling block to us. So thank you very much to them.